Too much history have you make it so hard to leave ya. What you do? Big old man thing, me not.
Hey guys, it's me Nekeisha and whatever, and I'm back again with another video. This is my second time making this video, so now it's gonna be 3 weeks since I posted my last video. I was trying to be consistent, but if I don't like the video, I'm not gonna post it. So yeah, look at my cute necklace. I know, thank you. I know, thank you. Before I get into the video, because I know a lot of people don't watch the whole video, my best friend started a eyelash company. So I'm gonna leave the link down below to the Instagram, and I want you guys to all go follow her on Instagram and her lash page. It's called Minks That Make You Blink. I'm gonna need you to buy a pair of lashes from now on. Not yet, but I'm gonna tell you, her lashes are the only lashes that I'll ever be wearing on my face. So if you ever want to know where my lashes are from, they're from her. So with that being said, let's just get into the video so we can see all the cute things that I bought. So first I'm gonna start off with Pretty Little Thing. So the first thing I'm gonna show you guys from Pretty Little Thing. Hold on, let me fix my shirt. So the first thing that I got from Pretty Little Thing is actually this shirt. I'm gonna insert a picture of me wearing it. It's like it's like a leotard with like a turtleneck. It was really cute. It was really tight. So I ordered a extra small. So just get a small if you're a small. So the next thing that I got were these cute sweatpants. And I'm gonna insert a little clip of me wearing it so you can see how they look on. And I already have no booty, but in these I have absolutely nothing. But it's fine because they're comfortable and warm. I like that the band right here is like kind of tight, and then the bottom is also tight. I was gonna say that I should have got an extra small, but the band is so tight like on my waist, so I think it's just supposed to be baggy like that. But it feels really nice. It's thick, it's like heavy duty, so yeah, I like it. And I also got it in this blue color right here. So I got one in black and I got one in blue, but I got it in blue too, just so I can have some flavors. Same thing, heavy duty, feels nice. I actually tried it on too. The material, my skin is kind of sensitive sometimes, so the material doesn't, like, if you know, you know, it gets like that nasty, like itchy feeling, like something's crawling on you. It doesn't do that, so it's all good. So the next thing I got was this hoodie from Pretty Little Thing. It's so cute. Can't wait to wear it. It's in this gray color, and so is this right here. I'm gonna buy so many sweaters from Pretty Little Thing. Like, they have so many cute colors, like, but only when they're having a sale, because yeah. But this is it. It feels really nice. It's not as thick as I thought it was gonna be, but it's still nice. For me, it's still gonna keep you warm, but it's just not as thick as I thought it would be. It's kind of heavy, but it's not that heavy. But you know, other than that, I like it, and it has pockets right here. So next I got another sweater. These were both the same price, but this material feels way better. Like, this material is what I expected. It's like heavy duty and it's like thick. This will keep you warm. It feels really, really nice. I just love it. Can't wait to wear it. I love wearing like white sweaters. I have one white sweater and I wore it so much it's not white anymore, so had to get another one. Yeah, if you know me, you know I love hoodies. I have a whole hoodie collection, but I barely wear any of those hoodies now, just because, you know, like, my style has changed, I guess. And some of the hoodies that I have, it's just like, I don't know why I was wearing that. Yeah, so next I'm gonna move on to Fashion Nova. So Fashion Nova, I got 2 pairs of jeans. I got these jeans right here that I'm wearing in this picture. They were, I don't remember, but they were having a sale, buy one get one free. So I got 2 pairs of jeans for the price of one. Fashion Nova jeans are like $40, so I paid like $40 for 2 pairs of jeans. It's a great deal. And the next pair of jeans that I got, let me go get them. Alright, so boom. So the next pair of jeans that I got were these. I just tried to, this shirt is so annoying. I just tried to get jeans that don't have that many holes in them, because all my jeans have rips and dips and all of that. So every single pair of my jeans have a rip in it. So this winter, barely wearing any jeans, so I bought sweats, and I bought a whole bunch of tights and stuff like that, because all my jeans have holes. But these are them. They fit nice. I know Fashion Nova jeans are supposed to give you some booty, but they don't do that for me. So, I mean, that's besides the point, you know. But they're cute. I like it. I just thought that the bottom was like skinny jeans, but it's kind of not. I don't know. I don't really like the bottom like that, but it's alright. Alright, so now moving on. I'm gonna move on to this store called Bershka. Now Bershka, I never heard of this store before. Me and my best friend were just like walking around and we found it, and they were like closing or whatever. So everything was like 75% off, 50% off. So I bought a couple of things. So the first thing that I got was this jacket. The original price was $29.90, but I got it for $9.90. I'm not saying prices in this haul. I'm just telling you that it was on sale. So this is a jacket. Can y'all see it? Yeah, it's like a khaki color and it just zips up and zips down. How did I do that? But yeah, it's nice. I got it from the men's section. Got it in a size small. Bershka is from, I don't remember, but it's somewhere like overseas, like not US, it's from somewhere else. The next thing that I got was this sweater, and I didn't realize what it said until I got home and looked at it. I was just so like amazed at the sale and the prices. I was just like, oh my god, oh my goodness. But now that I'm here, it says looking for my best filter. I thought it said something like California or something like that. I don't know what I thought it said, but that's what it says. But it's a cute sweater though, right? So I'm gonna still wear it. It's alright. I'm still wear it. I don't know where I'm gonna wear it to, because crop sweaters and me are not really friends because I get cold easily. So I'll probably gonna wear this in like when it's like 70 degrees, like 73, 74, like around there. Next thing from Bershka is this other cute crop sweater where I don't know where I'm gonna wear it to, but this one is really cute. Oh wait, wrong way. It's really, really cute. It says holidays on it and it's white, and it also says a summer trip and something else that I can't see. But this is really cute. It's like cropped like that. Oh, you can see it. It's really, really cute. And then the back also says holidays, but it's just bigger. I'm just trying to see if y'all can see. It's just bigger. Yo, this shirt is annoying. Next things that I got from Bershka. These are like my favorite things in the world, and I can't wait to wear them. I don't know where I'm gonna wear them to. I was thinking like on a date, but I don't go on dates, so I'm gonna just wear it somewhere. And it fits my chest. Like as you can see, I don't have anything, so it's like kind of hard to like find things sometimes, but it fits my chest. So here it is, a blue. It's a cute little bodysuit. It's so cute, and I love the flowers on it. It's just so cute. I can't wait till you guys see when I try it on. It's so cute, and I love it, and it's amazing. Can't wait to wear it. And I also got it in black because, you know, I like the green because it was like a really cute color, but I'm like black one I can really wear it with like anything. Same thing for me. Oh, this is what the back looks like. Can you see that? I think you can see it. It's kind of like a back out type of thing. It's really cute, and it fits very, very well. So you'll see when I try it on. So next, I'm gonna move on to this store. I don't know what it's called, but I'll put the name on the screen because I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna find the bag, whatever. They sell like a whole bunch of Supreme, Champion. Did I see Nike in there? They sell like North Face, Puma. They just sell stuff like that. So I got these pants. They're just like jogger pants, kind of. I haven't worn them yet because I'm just like, I don't know. Like I'm just waiting for these specific sneakers. I'm just waiting for them, but there's so many birthdays coming up. And I'm trying to buy everybody gifts. So after I buy everybody their gifts, then I'm gonna save the money to buy my sneakers so I can finally wear the outfit that I have planned in my head with my clothes. So these are the pants. They fit nicely, if I remember correctly. They fit really nicely. This is how the back looks. And they were cute. This is how the bottom looks. It's just like that. They're mad cute. I love it. And I also got it in black. For me, I just always get one in black so I can just wear it all the time. So this is the black one, and the black one now, the strings have these silver things going on, and then the back looks like that, same way, and then the foot looks like this. All right, so moving on to Forever 21. I love Forever 21. Forever 21 is in like every single one of my hauls. So yeah, it's not a haul if Forever 21 isn't in there. So first thing that I got from Forever 21 was this crop sweater. I'm gonna start wearing my crop sweaters. Like, I'm gonna just have to freeze or just take extra iron pills. Like, I don't know. I don't think I'm anemic. Well, I'm not. My doctor told me, but whatever. But this is it. It says Fruit of the Loom. This is cute or whatever. And when I went online, they had like the whole set, but I was like, let me chill. I don't need all of that. But this is it. This is it. This is she. And then the arm says this, which I thought was really cute. I don't know. Can you see it? You can see it. It's really cute and I like it. And it's cropped. And it's like, it's thick. She's thick. Alright, next thing that I got was this cute, was this cute fluffy sweater, and it's purple. And I was going through an era where I really liked purple. It was like my birthday hair color and everything. I was just really feeling the color at the time, and I still like it. So it's just knit, and it's nice, and it's cute. Don't know when I'm gonna wear it. Don't know how I'm gonna wear it. I'm gonna figure out a cute outfit for it. But yeah, I like it. It's cute, and it's really soft. Next thing that I got from Forever 21 was this cute cardigan. It's like gray and black with a dash of white, and it has pockets. Can you see it? It has pockets right here, and it's really soft. It's like stretchy and stuff. I really like it. It's cute or whatever. This was the last thing that I got from Forever 21. So yeah, that's it for the haul. I hope you all enjoyed this haul. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to check out my last video about this wig. If you're interested in it, go check out the video. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, share this video with a friend. Check out Pretty Little Thing because they have like a 50% off sale. So go check it out, sis. Go cop some Pretty Little Thing. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.